there are more variables involved in communication. It may not just be down to you and your ability to pronounce certain words or your ability to express your opinion. Let's say, for example, if you're in a meeting, there's other noises around. There's other distractions that can be happening, not just with the noises themselves, but distractions in the mind of the other person. For example, somebody might have had an argument with their partner that morning and they're thinking about that. They're thinking about what to get the kids for their birthday. They're thinking about their plans for the weekend. If they're not focusing or concentrating at the time when you say something and they ask you to repeat it, they could be in Mundo de Juppie, right? They could be somewhere else. They could be just miles away. And, it's their fault, right? It's not your fault. They're in otro mundo. They're in their own head. They've got their own preoccupations and ideas and things going on. So that's one thing. When you say something to someone and they don't understand you, take a moment to pause and think about the fact that it might not be, and probably isn't, down to your lack of English abilities, first of all. That's just with the noise around in the room and the noise around in people's heads. Other thing is, say you're on a video call, there may be a bad connection, and for the time you were saying a certain phrase in English, the connection may have cut out, to use a phrasal verb there. It may have cut out, the screen may have froze for a second, and the other person will then say, sorry, could you repeat that? I didn't understand, I didn't hear you. Now, whatever they say, again, you may have not noticed on your side of the call that there was a technical problem, and that could be another reason.